everyone, welcome back to my channel and this is Gracie. So today's video is about who's most likely nibbling suggestion. So samahan niyo ako kilalanin ang aking mga pamangkin, ang kanilang personalities at kung may iiyak habang nilulublub ko sila sa pulbo. So ito na naman tayo, ang tita nyo, sinumpong na naman ng kalokohan. So tara, samahan niyo ako sino kaya malulublob at sino iiyak. So tara, let's go!
Who is most likely to be picky about their food? Who is the most likely to sing along to car music? Who is most likely to save their money? Ayun o, yun o. Ayan.
Ito, wala.
Ano kung gastador?
Who is the most likely to stay up all night?
Ay, ito. Ito rin.
Who is the most likely to lose something important?
Ay, ito. Ayan.
Who is most likely to be late?
Late.
Tina, I'm here for the win.
Game. Is most likely to argue with their parents.
Ay.
Ayun o!
Ito.
Ayun! Who is most likely to slam the door when mad?
Slam the door, man.
Slam the
Ito.
door.
Ayan lang. Game.
Oh, ito,
1,000 to, ha?
alam mo kung sino to. Number 9.
Wow, ginawa pa ang joker.
Who is most likely to put an empty container back in the pantry? Ayan.
Ito rin.
Most likely to spill a secret.
Ay, sorry po. Siya lang naman. Bibigit mo na yung mata mo.
Masyado ka kasi honest.
Next. Who's the most lazy?
Ay! Kuya.
Who's the most pikon?
Ay, sorry. Okay na.
Okay, next. Who likes Starbucks the more?
Ay,
Isa pa.
ito pa pala. Sorry.
So, likely to embarrass themselves in public.
Ay, Maden. Wala naman. Si Maden lang.
Likely to completely lose it in a roller coaster.
Ay!
Okay, next. Who is most likely to be caught lying?
Luis. Yung sa yung ano?
Si Gwen.
Gwen, maaari mo ito. Gay!
Who's most likely to try new food?
Si Maden. Saka si Jacob. Jacob.
Okay.
Ano,
Who
hindi yung mga ano.
is most likely to turn a friendly game into a competitive one?
Ay, ito
Ayun,
rin.
no,
Ito
sabi
isa.
ko.
Ito rin. Isa. Ito isa. Yan. Actually, ikaw rin. Lahat sila.
Okay, next. Who is more likely to get arrested?
Ay!
Arrested?
Arrested? Wala naman.
Wala pa.
Wala pa naman. Wala pa.
Hintay mo yung salita ko.
Okay. Who is more likely to skip brushing their teeth?
Ay, sorry po. Luis. Jacob. Sorry.
Who's most likely to know where the good snacks are?
Ay, ito po. Isa. Ito rin. Huwag na. Ito, hindi.
Who's most likely to win a game show?
Ito. Ay, meron.
the mirror. Look at the mirror. Look at the mirror.
Who is most likely to burp loudly at a family dinner? Who is most likely to die without a cell phone?
Ay, so, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, kuya. 4. Ayan.
Next. Who is most likely to get lost in a familiar place?
Ay.
Who is most likely to eat food again after taking it out of the mouth? Okay, next. Who is most likely to be the better dancer?
Ay, lahat naman sila. Sa dalawa.
Hindi pa marunong better. Who's most likely to be the talkative one?
So,
Tingnan
konti na lang.
Who's most likely to get caught up in a book for hours?
Ay, ito.
Ay, sabi ko na eh. Sabi ko na.
Ay,
Who's most likely to be more competitive in sports or game?
ito. Isa. May umasa. Laking sports.
Next. Who's most likely to drop their phone on the ground?
Ay, isa. Tara, dalawa. Oy, sumama.
Who's most likely to fall asleep with their mouth open?
Ay, marami. Isa. Dalawa. Isa pa. Tatlo.
Who's most likely to sing in the shower?
Ay.
Ah,
1, 2.
Okay, next. Who's most likely to leave their clothes on the floor?
1. Kuya. Okay na.
Okay, last one.
Okay.
Who is more likely to fart while walking?
Thank you. Galing.
Picture
Sino ko na?